Today we're going to talk about warranties. Chassis warranties, structural warranties, appliance warranties, and coach warranties. Do you get 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, or more? All that and more in today's episode. My name's Neil Balthaser and I'm your host at Ultra Mobility, the channel all about Class B camper vans. If you're interested in Class B camper vans or are looking to buy, this is the channel for you. If you haven't done so already, I ask you to please consider subscribing. It's super easy. Just click the subscribe button and it'll help me continue to make great videos. When we talk about warranties for our coaches, we're not just talking about one type of warranty. There are 4 types of warranties that cover all the various aspects of your RV. So let's start with the chassis warranty. Now, each one of the chassis manufacturers covers their chassis with their own warranty. And usually they're pretty good because the chassis manufacturers have been around for a while and they've been building trucks and cars and vans for consumers for many, many years. They know how to build a quality chassis. So in general, I'm not too worried about the warranty on the chassis, but in general, they're all pretty good and they're all pretty solid. The second type of warranty coverage that you have are for B pluses, and they're called a structural warranty. So an example of things covered under your structural warranty would be when they have to build the steel case framing for the outside shell, or the fiberglass panels for the side of your Class B plus, or the roof. These things would all be considered structural elements, and they're covered under the structural warranty. And many of them seem to be around 3 years. But you should check, if you're looking especially at a B plus, you should check and make sure that you understand what the structural warranty covers and what the term is. Now, the third type of warranty that you'll get are the warranties which cover your components and your appliances. All of these components and appliances have their own warranties. Some of them are 1 year, some of them are 2 years or more. I'm not covering that in this video because there's just so many of them, and generally they are going to be what they are going to be. But the fourth type of warranty, which I think is the most important warranty, is the basic coach warranty that comes from the coach manufacturer. Now, this covers everything that the coach builder has installed and built inside the van itself. So in the case of my van, it would include all of the cabinetry and the woodworking. It would include the electrical wiring and the plumbing systems. All the parts and pieces that the coach manufacturer themselves have built and installed into your van is covered under the coach warranty. And frankly, it's the warranty that some coach manufacturers don't really like to talk about. In fact, I found that on more websites than I would like for coach manufacturers, they don't list and they don't talk at all about their warranty. I've had to call some coach manufacturers to find out what their warranty is. To me, that's a bad sign. If a coach manufacturer lists what their coach warranty is on their site for their product, I found that's a very good sign because it means that they are standing behind their product. So with that in mind, let's take a look at the coach manufacturers and see how they rank. So what I've created here is a chart, and the chart shows along the horizontal axis what is the term of the warranty. Is it 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, all the way up to 6 years? And then along the vertical axis, I have each of the coach manufacturers. Now, I've divided this up into what I consider the top tier manufacturers, which have the best warranties, the middle tier manufacturers, and then finally the bottom of the barrel manufacturers. Let's start with the top tier manufacturers. At the very top of the list is Hymer Road Trek. Hymer Road Trek has a 6-year all-inclusive transferable warranty. It is what they call their peace of mind warranty, and I have to tell you that it really does seem like it gives you peace of mind. The 6-year warranty covers not only all of the pieces that Roadtrek and Hymer themselves have built and installed, but it also covers all the appliances and components. I believe they're the only coach manufacturer that offers this. So that is a real plus for Hymer Roadtrek. And clearly, if you look at their brochures and you go on their site, they are very proud of this fact, and they state it very clearly that each one of their products has the 6-year warranty. Now, following not far behind Roadtrek is Pleasureway. Pleasureway has a 5-year warranty. Now, it's not as extensive as Hymer Roadtrek's warranty in the sense that it doesn't cover all of the appliances and components, but for the parts and the pieces and the work that Pleasureway itself has done, they're giving you a guarantee of 5 years, which is still an incredible and very good warranty. In the middle tiers, you'll see the coach builders which offer 2 to 3 year warranties. At the bottom of the middle tier is the Corrado brand, the Hymer brand Corrado, which offers a 2-year warranty. And then you'll see all the other coach manufacturers which offer 3-year. Now, what's surprising to me in this list is Airstream. I went onto Airstream's site and I could not find anywhere listed what their warranty was. I had to actually call an Airstream dealer to find out that they offer a 3-year limited warranty for their B&B Plus vans. So that's disappointing to me because Airstream is the most expensive RV that you can get, and yet they're only offering a 3-year warranty. So I would like to see that change on Airstream's part. I think they need to offer at least a 6-year warranty and possibly a 7-year warranty so they could become the best in the business. Now, at the very bottom are the RV manufacturers that are only offering a 1-year warranty. And what I find surprising in this list is that Coachmen is listed there. Coachmen, makers of the popular CrossFit and Galleria, only offer a 1-year warranty, and that is disappointing to me. On Ultra Mobility, I will review vans which have a 1-year warranty, but unfortunately I won't recommend any of them. In this day and age where manufacturers are offering 5- and 6-year warranties, to me it's just strange to have coach manufacturers who are offering 1-year warranties. So there's your complete list as of today of the major coach manufacturers building B&B Plus vans here in North America. Where is your favorite coach manufacturer listed, and where is your favorite coach? Leave your comment in the comment section below and let us know. And let's start demanding better warranties for the RVs that we're hoping to buy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I'd love if you became a subscriber. It helps me continue to make great videos. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and I try to answer each and every one of them. We'll see you again next time on Ultra Mobility, your channel for Class B camper vans. Take care. Bye-bye.